Yo, our shit just broke down right now, guys. It started to shit on me. So the homie Austin's gonna drive, and Briar's pulling the car right now. Hopefully we'll be okay, man. All right, take it wide. Keep going. Hey, we're unhooked. We're unhooked. Oh shit. Don't pull. Oh shit. Hold up. Take it slow. Take it slow. Take it slow. Ooh, fuck. Stop. 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 Hey, pull forward a little bit. Chill, 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 chill. Anyways, guys, before we get into the video, I'd like to give a huge shout out to Briar and Austin. You guys are just professionals in what you do. I mean, what we did was pretty illegal, but they didn't crash my car. I mean, the car got unhooked a couple times, but it'd be like that. But Austin, thank you so much for not crashing my car, bro. And also shout outs to NBSC2, Franklin, and Alfonso for being there to give me some moral support and helping me figure out what's wrong with my starter. We tried banging on it and nothing didn't work. I'm just glad the car is in one piece now and drivable. But anyways, we're gonna get to the video, guys, on the front splitter and rear lip install. I shot them separately, so I'm sorry for the weird transition. But yeah, let's get into it. Yo, what's up, guys? I am here with the homie Bill.
What's up?
What's up, bro? What we doing to your car today, bro?
Well, we just adjusted my camber, so it's all fixed up now.
No more negative camber.
Now I just gotta go get my toe done.
Today, Dylan's gonna help me install my front lip, side skirts, and rear lip.
Possibly the rear lip?
Possibly the sides. I don't know if that's gonna fit. We'll see.
What? What is this?
What?
It's
Yo,
the wrong
chill,
side,
chill,
bro.
chill, chill, chill. A while since I seen you guys. I'm sorry for not uploading last week. I just been really, really busy, but we're back at it again. Gonna install this front lip right here, side skirts, and then the new Euro R lip. Hopefully it goes smoothly. We're gonna head to the car meet after this too, so see you guys in a bit. From the low light, baby. I broke some of the polyurethane on here, but that shouldn't be a problem. We shouldn't have to mount anything in the middle, right? It's just the
we'll
sides.
probably have to make new ones though. 'Cause
Yeah.
Since these are broken.
Okay, that's no problem.
It is?
Yeah.
I said because I cut myself. I thought I scared you. You got scared?
Nah, fool, that shit hot. Or maybe I'm tripping, I don't know. Dude, that's perfect.
Boom!
Chill.
the lip itself will hold the bumper. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Because this is bringing it tight.
Bro, this looks good. Way better than the other one. Imagine having like the little splitter rods, like right here. Boom. Splitter rods, bro.
Like the shirt thing looking thing?
Actually, I think this is like too, it's not like flat, you know? Yeah, I don't need it.
I don't know Ricer stuff. You gotta speak.
This guy. These are some jank ass hardware I use.
Guys, if y'all bought this because of our God, don't get it. These hoes look, his were black. I got them because of his video.
Don't show them, bro. Don't show you.
Mine are brown too. Should focus. See, they don't stay brown. Oh, I won't show them.
Wait, why do they have these two extra ones? That's weird.
Another car stuff, you end up with extra bolts than you should have to begin with. Oh, hey, dude, the ones right here.
Oh, yeah.
You're welcome.
Ooh. No more bumping gap ever. See that gap's on.
Dude, your car looks so shiny.
Yeah, black cars, man. You get that paint painted, or the lip painted. Dude, it's back to life, baby. Hell yeah, I'm not gonna scrape no more. That's a whole foot.
Don't make me kick your ass. What do I say about that whole foot finger thing?
That's a whole 1 inch. Yo, so we're making it up back on the driveway, and there's really no room for me to angle. Now my bumper looks like Villain's bumper. This shit is all out. Alright guys, so the splitter looks so amazing, but it wouldn't look amazing without the boy Alfonso. So man, I got you some goodies.
Hey, for real?
Yeah, it's a Rashi t-shirt. There's only like...
With a fucking large, you think I'm fat? This one's clean, bro. Thanks.
No problem, buddy. We're gonna go to a car meet, but I'm not gonna record it. Just wanna have some quality time with the homies. But I'll see you guys when we get the rear lip on.
Yeah,
Peace.
peace out.
A lot of space in here. I don't even know if this fits.
I got it on this side.
Really?
Yeah.
Here, I'm gonna push it up like a lot, and then just hold it there. I'm gonna throw it. That's weird. I don't know why it's not going all the way up. Maybe this isn't for my car. I don't know. Yeah, if you see that gap right here, it's like
Yeah, it's like kind of popping off.
I'll have to figure this out. I'm gonna take out the other side. I'll probably put it on wrong. I'm not sure. So we got the lip on there. The reason why it wasn't going on smoothly is because there's like a little clip on the side that holds this right here, the reflector. And I got that to fit in the inner side. It's painted over, yeah. So we're gonna throw some 3M tape in the middle. I don't think we need it. It's pretty tight. If I drill it in, it should be okay. Oh yeah, let me show you guys what I mean with the little clips. There are like clips right here and right here. And the reason why I wasn't going up is because it's hitting this right here. So you gotta aim it upwards like this and then push it in. Hey, that's clean, bro.
Perfect. I dig that up.
So the lip has some pre-drilled holes, and you should be able just to drill it in. All right, we're gonna lower this baby. Let's see it.
You see the camera?
TS, it's not even that low in the back too.
Yes. That's kind
I
of fire.
raised it. Yeah, it's like way more lower now. Well, anyways, guys, that is the end. I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I did making it. If you stayed to the end, I appreciate you so much. Taking the time out your day to watch my videos, I love you. I hope you have such a great weekend, and let's get some shit done. And I'll see you guys on the next episode. Peace.